Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dama and I have another current favorites video, and this is more lifestyle. This isn't makeup or hair, and I really wanted to do two separate videos just so I would talk more about each item. And the first item that I've been using a lot frequently is this waist trainer I bought in Amazon, and it's Sports Research, and it comes in this little bag right here. And I've been trying to go to the gym more frequently, and this definitely makes me sweat a bunch, like my stomach. So it's black and it says Sweet Sweat Waist Trainer, and I believe it was $22. It was actually gifted on Christmas. My boyfriend bought it for me. I told him that I wanted it, and then he bought it. I have been seeing people wear these waist trainers, but I didn't know which one to buy, and I went to Amazon and this had a lot of good reviews, and this is how it looks. It's really comfortable. It's really stretchy. This is the size small one, and it is really long, and it has a big Velcro, and this is the part that gets really sweaty. And so far, the first time that I used it, and it looks like that when you fold it. The first time that I used it, I ran 4 miles. That was my goal, and I accomplished it. And I sweat so much with this waist trainer. I was so surprised, and I feel like it makes me more like, I don't know, I feel like it's a good feeling to sweat. I'm not like a huge sweater. It takes me a while, like when I'm running, to sweat. So I feel like this has definitely made my workout much better, and I highly recommend this waist trainer just because it is pretty affordable. 22 bucks for a really well-made waist trainer, and it comes with this little bag. It also came with this like cream you can put on your belly so you sweat even more, but I thought I didn't want to use it just because what if it gives me like an allergic reaction, because if you're putting like lotion and then sweating on top of it, I didn't think that was a good idea for me. So just this, guys, is perfectly fine. You will definitely sweat. I highly recommend this one if you are going to the gym. This is a must for sure. I feel like I can't work out without this waist trainer. So definitely check it out. Amazon has it. I recommended it to my sister, and I told her you have to get it. Like, I feel like it makes your workout much better. So if you guys are in the search of a waist trainer, definitely check them out. They are Sports Research. I will link them down below, and I'm pretty sure it was $22. There's also a pink one. I'm not sure if there's a difference between like the pink one, but I do like yellow, so I decided to get the yellow one. And again, love this waist trainer. Yeah, you guys need to go get it. 22 bucks, that's not bad at all. And something that I've been eating on maybe the daily, maybe like 3-4 times a week in the morning, is this Special K cereal with red berries. I haven't had this one in a couple of years, and it's really good with almond milk and a banana. I feel like if I eat something light in the morning, it'll make lunchtime, like I won't be starving by the time lunchtime comes around. So I really have been loving this, and it is pretty light. I never read like the back, like protein, sugar, any of that. So according to this, it has 3 grams of protein. If you put skim milk, 3/4 cup, it's 9 grams. But I really just like to be fuller throughout the day, just so I'm not starving when lunchtime hits. Love this cereal. If you guys have any recommendations for other cereals, I don't want to get burnt out on this one. I do want to try other cereals for the morning, so let me know. And this one I got at Target, and I believe it was less, like $3.50, less than $4 for sure. So really have been loving this one, and it has been included in kind of like my daily routine. Sometimes I just eat a banana in the morning, but this definitely makes me a little more full. And something else that I've added at work as well, because I really love to drink tea in the morning. But I've noticed that the hot water that I get out of the cooler isn't hot enough for my teas. So I decided to buy myself a kettle, but I wanted it to be ideal for my cubicle. It's like super, super small. And I found this one on Amazon. It's called Gourmia, and it's an electric folding travel kettle. And it came in this super cute small box, and I still have it in here because I like to put it in the box when I don't use it at work, and in a little bag. And I got the white one. They do have a black one, but I thought this would look cuter on my desk. And it looks like that. It has a cord. It must be like 3 feet approximately. It doesn't say. It doesn't say, but it is probably like a 3 feet cord. So it's like this, and in order to unfold it, you just grab the top, and this is what it looks like. I have been loving this kettle. It really boils the water, and I just put the cup that I'm going to be drinking and pour it into my little cup, and then rinse it after. And look at this. Isn't this so cute? It's so cute, and it works so well. And this is a really good item to travel with if you are going like camping or if you're traveling. I actually used this one when my sister and I went to take our manicurist exam to state board, and I'm a huge tea drinker, so I feel like I always need a tea, especially if I'm traveling. Something that I've included in my routine, and I just again enjoy drinking tea in the morning. So I decided to take this one just because it is really small and I put it in my luggage. So this was perfect, and it really made a difference because I didn't need to go to Starbucks, and I just boiled some water in the hotel room and it was perfect. You can probably boil maybe even like you can boil some soup, any liquid pretty much. But I do it specifically for my tea. Highly recommend it. It's really compact and small. You can definitely travel with it. And I believe this one was $22. I will be linking everything down below so you guys get the accurate prices. Again, I thought this was totally worth it, and believe me, I have used it a lot, that it's been worth the 22 bucks. So if you guys are looking for a small kettle to travel with, this one I really, really like. I have also been trying to drink more water every day, and I feel like having a flask every day, carrying it everywhere with me, has made a difference. It really forces me to drink water. I try to drink 2 of these a day. It doesn't really matter what flask you guys have, but flask or like water bottle. This one is 32 ounces. This is the Hydroflask, and this is a limited edition one that I bought when I went to Maui. Super, super pretty blue. I'm pretty sure they have this one as well, but obviously it's not going to be the limited edition Maui one. But this has made such a difference in my, again, daily routine to force me to drink water. And it does keep it, if you want to put warm water, it will keep it warm for a really long time. Or if you want to put cold water as well, it's very insulated. I really love this Hydroflask. They are more on the expensive side, so there's also an affordable version, which is the Nalgene. And they have those like at Target, and they're also 32 ounce bottles. And I believe those are like $10 to $12. And I kind of maybe even like it a little more just because they're really light. These are really heavy bottles. But this is kind of almost like a weapon. Anytime I'm walking alone in the street and if it's dark, I'm definitely carrying this because I can definitely hit someone, and believe me, they won't be running after me. So this is like a weapon almost. But if you don't like the plastic, this is a stainless steel one. I know they kind of has like a different taste when you drink from plastic than the stainless steel. So again, any flask, any water bottle that you guys want to have. But this one so far I've really been loving. It makes me drink more water. So I highly recommend. I really like Hydroflasks, but again, you can live with and get a cheaper one for sure. And something that I carry every day with me, everywhere, is my Dagne Dover purse. I want to do a dedicated video for this one, so I'm just going to be showing you kind of the outside, nothing on this inside. I have it pretty organized on the inside because I carry a lot of things, but so far I really have been loving it. There's one thing that kind of happened to it that I will explain in the dedicated video, but so far I am very content with the purse just because it suits me very, very well and my everyday like routine, because I work every day. And it looks like this. It has a strap. It's made out of like a scuba diving fabric, and what really sold me is because it has a long little handle, not little, but a long handle, and it also has a strap that you can adjust as well. So far I have really been loving it. I may get another bag. We'll see which one I get, but I will be doing a dedicated video for that purse. I've been loving it. So those were my current favorites. I've really been loving each one of those items that I just spoke about. If you guys have any recommendations or any favorites, also please let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to watch all my other videos as well. I have been posting more frequently. And follow me on Instagram. I am very active on Instagram and Facebook too as well. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.